Scotty.
Hello.
We had some help from Ben, too.
Yes, we did. Thank you.
Ben jumped in and helped. He's hanging out.
Great.
He's loitering. He might as well do something. So, this kit, do you have one of those brackets that we had to modify? Oh, they're both down there. Oh, look it. Ben's got them both. So these had 3 holes in them. 1, 2, 3. Now it's a slot and a hole. Did you just poop?
No.
Anyway, so back in here, it's supposed to bolt here and up here for the bracket. The problem is, none of the holes lined up. So, we took and we're like, oh, it's right in the middle of that. Those are the 2 holes. So Ben took the Dremel and slotted them for us. So this is going to go on just like that. Roll that beautiful bean footage, eh?
Yeah.
And then your parking brake cable is going to go right through there. Click,
Yep.
click.
Click, boom.
And then it goes through here. And goes into there. And then we are done.
Yes.
A rubber hose. They're like, bend the factory line out the way. Well, the factory line's like 2 feet long.
Yeah.
So this will only be, it actually goes pretty close to there. So I'm basically making us a hard line here.
Yep.
And then here on the passenger side, you can see the lines over there. You can see Ben's kind of eyeballing. Nice. That's actually really good. Hold that right there. I can actually zoom in. Ooh, look it.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at. He's totally like Vanna White. So that goes there. There it is. And then that line, the factory hard line, we've marked. So Scotty, if you could be a deer while you're in here and just undo that for me, so I can
Of
pull that
course,
line
yeah.
out. And I'm gonna cut it and flare it over there and put a fitting on it, and then we'll both be ready to roll.
There it went.
There went your washer.
That's the one I needed.
So,
Thanks, sir.
in a little while, not too much longer, this should be ready to rock.
Yep. Then all that will be left is bleed the brakes.
Yep.
And then at least be movable type deal.
Yeah, then the brakes are done. We might have to do a little adjusting on the push rod. I'm still wary on that, you know, with the master.
Oh yeah, of course.
And then I get to have fun doing the exhaust, which is not going to be very fun.
You got it.
Yeah, so get to deal with that.
Yep.
Alrighty. Alright. So this was a bit of a battle, doing our parking brake cable, getting everything in. I had to make a little adapter here for the hard line to the soft line. Of course, it does not come with that in the kit, because why would it?
That would mean that people actually did their jobs right and thought in advance.
Yeah. Why would they make us something that actually fits? So we got that going. I actually have the other side already cut and flared, and I have mocked it up. Now Scotty's getting ready to do the parking brake cable.
Yep, so if you come on over, we can give them a quickie demonstration as to what it's going to look like.
We're having a quickie.
Yeah, we're going to have a quick. Okay,
so
so I'm going to try and get it back into its holder.
it's
I'm not going to make any guarantee, but I think once we get this all together and screwed into place, it'll be
in perfectly fine.
Yep, and we've got enough room between the hard line and the soft line that everything's going to be flexible. And not that this moves, it's just a solid axle we're in, but still, any type of movement or whatever, we're not going to break anything.
That's good.
And that was the concern.
Okay, so let's get this. So we get the parking
Yeah,
brake
because this is
out.
the only thing.
That's a pain in the ass. Because we've had to fabricate already.
Yeah, I try not to swear in front of the customers ever, like ever.
Oh, you lie.
But this,
It's a pain in the ass.
yeah, and that's not quite what I want to say. But yes, I'll be nice.
Yeah, because it's not quite dialed in.
Do we need help?
Not yet. We got to do the bracket. So Scotty's gonna get this all apart, get the bracket on, because everything's mocked up, look good.
Yeah.
So get it apart, get the parking
Other
brake.
side's done, but it's probably going to take all 3 of us to do this one.
Yeah, to pop it back
And
on.
if there's enough time, I want to at least try and get my plugs in my car today.
Okay, well.
I mean,
all right.
there should be. So, I mean, got minutes to go. So,
All right.
on that note, ladies and gentlemen, deuces.
We'll see you in a minute. Well, Scotty does his magic on that side, getting the caliper fitted with the parking brake cable, which is a battle all in of itself. I went and trial fit the wheel here on the driver's side, and it does touch the caliper, but the kit comes with spacers. So we're gonna do a little test fit with the spacers, Comes with 4 spacers, so you can do 1 or 2 for each side. So we need to just work it out.